Hey guys, so we just got home from our long weekend. We had a road trip and right now I'm just sitting on the floor. We literally just walked in the house. It's a mess in here. Oh, you got it? Literally, because I haven't taken off her coat. Basically, just wanted to show you guys pretty much a day in my life and what it's like having a toddler. I need to clean. I know y'all seen that cat food, so I need to clean up. It's not that dirty, but it's dirty. And honestly, I'm like super tired because I honestly haven't had any sleep this weekend. And I'm about to try to clean up. Or do I want to take a nap first? Decisions. Hi, pretty. No touch. No touch. Thanks. So yeah, I am going to fix Winter a little snack, or I'm actually gonna fix her lunch because it's about 1 something. So we literally just got here, so I'm just gonna make her lunch. Okay, so the lighting in the kitchen is trash can, so I kind of opened up the small little window that we do have in here. Never mind my cabinet being open, like, never mind that. Today is hot dog day, so she's gonna have a hot dog. She's in her room playing right now. I don't know why she, why do she close the door? I don't know why she closes the door. Amelia! Y'all, this isn't the law. Seriously? She gonna kill the fish. Please no touching this. Oh my goodness. Wow. I literally can't. I need to clean this. Okay, so had to save the fish's life. Can y'all see that glare? Anyways, had to save the fish life. So he literally swam to the top like, you know what? Sick of this. I don't even want to live no more. But I'm about to straighten up this living room. Cause it's a little junky. I'm not gonna like super deep clean like the video that you guys seen right now. Right now I'm just going to honestly just straighten things up because I need to super declutter things before spring so that I can decorate the house springtime. Like most of those plants you seen were honestly from Christmas, so we need to fix that. about to wait for Winter to finish eating. I need to charge this camera, and then I got some stuff in the mail, so I'm going to check on that on my laptop while that's charging. Everything is dead today, like even my phone is dead. And then we have a few runs to make, and yeah. What are you doing? Okay guys, so me and baby Winter literally like just got home. No, you cannot play with these. It's gonna catch an attitude. But me and baby Winter literally like we just got home. I don't know how moms do it, and I'm a mom, so that's crazy. But like, so remember when I was like, I'm gonna straighten up? Well, I did, but then I think I was supposed to do something else. I'm so exhausted, you guys. So I literally went to sleep, woke up late because I was only supposed to sleep for like an hour. Woke up late, had to rush to get dressed, get both of us dressed, because we had to meet her grandpa for dinner. And Winter looks so cute. She kind of like, she ruined her ponytails, but let me just show y'all. Stinky mom, come here. Say hi.
Bye.
Say hi.
Bye.
Okay guys, so we are honestly just about to shower, give her a bath, and we're gonna watch Boss Baby or The Incredibles 2, and we're gonna hit the hay. What, girl? You on the phone? Then, okay, you threw your phone. Then we're just gonna hit the hay because work is in the morning, and I'm exhausted from this road trip. Honestly, I haven't had enough sleep at all. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.